Hey guys, what's up? I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Welcome to the channel Technology Zone. I am Yuvraj. So in this era of pandemic, when all of us are working from home and students are doing online education, the wireless headphones, the demand are increasing rapidly. The Realme is the pioneer of bringing the truly earless headphones in our country. So this is Realme Buds Air 2, the successor of the OG Realme Buds Air. The Realme Buds Air 2 unboxing I've already done, you can watch in my channel. So today in this video I will do a full in-depth review that whether you should purchase this product at the price of Rs 3300. So without wasting any further time, let us dive into the review. So I will just divide the review into few categories. First of all, the design. The design of the Realme Buds Air 2 is typical like the original Buds Air. The Buds Air 2 has a very cobbled shape. There are two colors. This is white one, another one is black. I will advise you to go for the white color because if you buy the black one, since it's a plastic, the scratches can be visible more easily. The entire lid of this is plastic, and if you just open this lid, the wireless headphones comes, and these are the truly wireless ones. So just need to plug in the right hand side and the left hand side of your ear. There is a stainless steel finish in the stem which gives a very distinctive feeling from the other truly wireless headphones. This doesn't show that it is a copycat of the Apple AirPods. So if I just keep it in the ear, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side, you can see that the Buds Air has been perfectly fit into my ear, and if I also does rigorous ear shakes and even the stem does not fall. So the fit wise, this Buds Wireless Air 2 has been fantastic according to me. So you can always get two other sizes, like this one is directly fit into the Buds Air and other two are the small and the large ones. Mine one is medium, the ear tips. So if I go into the second category, which is a very important one, is according to me, how is the connectivity and the controls. Oh, by the way, the Buds Air 2 has the wireless charging, means the wired types A to type C charging. It does support fast charging, and there are LED indicators. As you can see right now, it is blinking green. So if I just open this, it will blink green since it is now connected the two Buds Air 2, and when the charge is very less, it will be red color, and when the charging it is full, the Buds Air 2, the lead, the color will be white one. So there are LED indicators in the surface of the Buds Air 2. So let us go into the connectivity controls. I'm very happy to inform you that the Buds Air 2 support Google Web support, means as soon as I switch on, you can find that it has already been connected in the Realme Buds Air 2. The Bluetooth has already been connected. It supports Bluetooth 5.2. So it supports Google Web support. And another one is the connectivity of the Realme Buds Air 2 is entirely controlled by the Realme Link App. As I mentioned in the unboxing video, the link of which I will drop down in the description below, you can check from there. Realme Link App has been a very diverse application for all the functions of the Buds Air 2. As you can see, if I just click the Realme Buds Air 2, once I click, the entire functionality of the Buds Air are there into the app. For example, there is noise cancellation. The Realme Buds Air 2 has the active noise cancellation support, which I will just brief in the coming part of the video. There is the normal mode, there is transparency mode, as well as the sound effects, means if you want heavy bass, if you want the relatively dynamic level of sound, and if you want a more original bright kind of sound. And there is also volume enhancer, which increases the volume further, and there is game mode, which you can activate during the time of gaming. So this is the Realme Link App. It is available for both Android as well as for iOS. You can download it and connect it with the Realme Buds Air 2. Now let me just brief you about the sound quality and the ANC part. Realme Buds Air 2 has the feed forward kind of ANC. That means it has also very controlled the external sounds to a certain extent, not largely, but it's quite decent according to its price. And further, the forward kind of frequency, it has the 10 bass drivers. That means the Realme engineers has done a fantastic job in extracting a large amount of sound using the 10 bass drivers. So regarding the sound quality, what I always do, I prefer three songs to check the sound quality. I check first of all the bass, second of all the imaging and the sound clarity, and the third of all the separation of the sound. So I have chosen three songs like I always do: Somebody to Love by Kirill, Roundabout by Yes, and Do I Wanna Know by Arctic Monkeys. In the song Somebody to Love, as you can see, if I just click this sound, Somebody to Love by Kirill, in this sound what happens is the underlying frequencies automatically bleeds into the lower frequencies. That means the mids are relatively okayish, however the trebles are very unrefined quality. And if I go to the Do I Wanna Know by Arctic Monkeys, as you can see, this is the test for the imaging and the sound clarity. That means in the 3 minutes portion of the song there are a lot of instrument separation, and I'm very happy to inform you that Realme Buds Air 2 did a fantastic job in separation of the music as well as extracting a large amount of sound from the 10 mm bass drivers. So it's very good. And next song is Roundabout by Yes, and in this song I test how the bass is in the Buds Air driver. So over here I can tell you that the backing guitar occupies the bottom left part and the chorus occupying the right hand part. So I'm very happy to inform you that Realme engineers has done a fantastic job because it creates a very bassy sound. Most audiophiles will like it because we prefer sound testing of this type of Buds Air, and this type of music is very preferable to our ear. So I'm very happy to inform you that Realme did the basics very right. The volume is large as I mentioned, and further there is a specific volume enhancer mode which you can find the Realme Link App, through which you can further enhance the volume. And regarding the gaming, Realme has claimed that it has dropped the latency in the original Buds Air. It was 95 milliseconds. Now it has reduced the latency to 88 milliseconds. Unfortunately I couldn't test that because not many games support this as of right now, but I hope this feature will be supported in the long run and we can test it. If I find any subtle changes, I will update in the description box below. Now let us talk about the important thing, mic quality, as we take a lot of calls these days through Bluetooth. How is the mic quality? The mic quality of this Buds Air 2 is fantastic, but there is a echo when I call someone, so a slight echo is there. Hope Realme can fix this with the update. Guys, Realme pushes a lot of updates for this product because I was unboxing this, and as soon as I unboxed the product I received the update. Hopefully with further updates Realme will improve this echo deficiency in the mic quality. And regarding the gaming, as I right now told you that while I was playing normal game like COD and the World Cricket Championship, the sound quality was preferably good. However, I couldn't taste the latency. Hopefully it can be made in the coming future. Now let me talk about the build. The build is robust as I told. However, I am very much worried about the plastic lid, since it doesn't have a metallic hinge like the Buds Air Pro, that how it will last in the long run. But considering Realme is a brand which always gives durable products, I'm not much worried about it. So now the last but not the least important thing, that what is the pricing and how is the verdict? What is the verdict of this Realme Buds Air 2? The pricing starts rupees 3,299 for this Realme Buds Air 2. It looks a very unique product from Realme, I should say. And this stainless steel finish also gives a very distinctive appearance. Further, this Buds Air, the lid, means the box of this Buds Air, also supports the type C fast charging. It can charge very quickly. Around 1 hour it will take to charge this, and around 1 hour more it will take to charge the Buds Air 2 completely. And the battery life, I will say it will last easily for around 10 hours in my usage in the past 10 days. So regarding the verdict, I should say in this price range we found two products. Number one is Mi Wireless Headphones 2, which is priced around 2,999. But the problem is, though Mi Wireless Headphones 2 supports the LDAC and AAC sound quality, it doesn't support ANC. So ANC is missing, so which is a big deal, because if you add 300 more rupees you can get ANC. So, and Realme's own Realme Buds Air Pro, over there are two differences. The hinge is made up of metal, so little bit more durable, and the active noise cancellation, which is up to 35 dBs. Over here it is 32, so 3 dBs more. I don't think it will create much of a difference, since it both of them, means Realme Buds Air 2 as well as Realme Buds Air Pro, supports feed forward kind of ANC, so I don't think it will create much difference. So guys, at this price, rupees 3,299, it is a no-brainer. I am fully recommending this Realme Buds Air 2 to all of you. You will have a fantastic experience. Realme does provide frequent updates, so with updates the performance might improve more in the coming days, as well as the battery life is also excellent. You can enjoy a good amount of music for long hours, and you can also attend video conferencing calls, online education purposes. So guys, this was my review. I hope you like this video. If you have enjoyed, then like this video, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Technology Zone for more awesome content coming really soon. Take care guys, bye bye.